Today we are going to see what is an intersection performance and basic VSIM application. Before going into that, let us see what is an intersection. In simple words, intersection is nothing but an area shared by two or more roads. That might be a meeting, crossing, merging, or a diverging. Now we will see why performance of an intersection is an important, especially in developing countries like India, where we alter the intersection design very rapidly to meet the current traffic needs. For this to happen, one should evaluate the existing intersection at that particular time in terms of efficiency, travel time, safety, and capacity. Okay, now let us see the two important parameters involved in the intersection performance. That is, one is capacity and the other one is level of service. Now let us see what is the capacity of an intersection. In simple terms, it's nothing but a quantitative measure defined as the maximum number of vehicles per unit time which can be accommodated under given conditions. Let us now see an real-time capacity example. If you can see, this is a junction in Andhra in Visakhapatnam, which is called as a Mahendra Satyam junction, where we took it as a real-time example for evaluation of the capacity. If you see this Excel over here, okay, now let us see into this Excel where we are going to have the field values of the turning movement survey. If you could see here, these are the four locations of the intersection real-time example which we took: Gurudwara, HB Colony, Madhya Parliament, RTC complex. Here, if you could see, these are the values of the traffic, that is entry and the exit traffic. If you could see, these are the entry traffic and the exit traffics which are evaluated in the table here. If you could see here, the entry traffic here, clicking on F2, you could see the entry traffic count, the summation of all the entry traffic. In the similar way, you will also evaluate the exit traffic. Okay. Now, if you can see, this is the sum of both the entry and exit traffic. If we want to evaluate the capacity of the Gurudwara arm at this intersection, this is nothing but the summation of the both entry and the exit traffic. That is nothing but the 28280. Now, if you see, as per the screenshot, as per the IRC, for the 4-lane divided two-way, 4-lane undivided two-way, the maximum capacity allowable is in the arterial is 3000, which is less than the 3000. The value which we got here is 2280, is less than the 3000. In terms of capacity, this intersection is working fine. Okay. Now let us see what is VSIM application. To say frankly, VSIM has an n number of applications, but now we will see in simple terms what is its application in intersection performance. Just now we had calculated the capacity of an intersection. The other important thing which we need to evaluate is level of service of an intersection. For evaluating that, we need to calculate n number of delays like movement delays and approach delays, etc. Which in general, other than VSIM, if we want to do it, it would be a very tedious and lengthy process. So for that, VSIM is one of the application in calculating the level of service of that intersection. Now we will see the basic, very basic of how to set up a project location and also units in a VSIM. Okay, let us see that now.